or it would be classified as energy signal and power signal and deterministic signal and random signal. Okay, so one by one we'll see about the classification of signal. So the first one, continuous signal. So this is the, already I told, this is this example for continuous signal, and this is the example for discrete signal. Now we are going to see about even and odd signal. So when the signal is, we can say it is a even signal. That means a continuous time signal x of t is said to be even if x of minus t equal to x of t. So it is very important. That means if it has to satisfy the function x of minus t equal to x of t, then the signal is said to be even signal. If the signal is said to be odd, if x of minus t equal to minus x of t, then the signal is called odd signal. Okay, clear? So it is very important one. So you have to identify, they'll give the expression. You have to say it is a even signal or odd signal. So now we'll check about the sine wave and cosine signal. Okay, that is going to be a continuous signal. No? That we can check it. It is a continuous. First we'll take as a, what is this signal? It is a sine wave. Okay, first we'll check the sine wave is a even signal or odd signal. If it is a sine wave, we can check, that means if sine of t, x of minus t equal to minus x of t. So you know that what is sine, uh, sine x, for example, we can take x of t equal to sine t. Okay. So what is x of minus t? X of minus t equal to sine of minus t. So what you will get, sine of minus t is what? Answer, what is sine of minus t?
Minus 90.
Huh?
Minus 90.
Minus sine t, good. Suppose x of minus t means sine of minus t. So sine of minus t is minus sine t. Okay. So sine t we are taken, it was x of t. So what will happen? X of minus t equal to minus x of t. Okay. That means this signal is what signal? Even signal or odd signal?
Odd signal.
It is a odd signal because x of minus t equal to minus x of t means it is a odd signal. Good. So we can check it. Otherwise, it one by one also we can check it. For example, sine of 0, 0. For sine of minus 0, for that case it's okay. If sine of 45 degree, 1 by root 2. If sine of minus 45 degree, minus 1 by root 2. So from this itself, what you can understand, x of minus t equal to minus x of t minus x of t. So the sine wave is nothing but odd signal. And similarly, if it is a cosine wave, if it is a cosine wave, it, what about cosine wave? What about the cosine wave?
X of minus t is equal to x of t.
Ah, good.
Even signal.
Oh, good. Suppose we'll take x of t equal to cos t. Okay. So x of minus t is what? cos of minus t. Okay, we know cos of minus t equal to only cos t. Okay, that means cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So what will happen? Cos t is nothing but x of t. So x of t. So x of minus t is x of t. X of minus t is x of t. That is called even function. So we can say the sine wave is even signal. The cos wave is a sorry. Uh, that cos wave is even signal. The sine wave is odd signal. Are you clear?
Yes, miss.
Yes, yes.
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. The sine is which signal? Sine is a
Odd signal.
sine is a odd signal. Cosine wave is
Even signal.
Even
even signal. Okay. For the graph itself, you can understand it is a even signal or odd signal. That means if you take the y-axis, if they take the y-axis, at y-axis, if it exactly matches, then it is become a even signal or otherwise odd signal. That means if this is sine wave, no, at y-axis, at the center, okay, draw it in a paper, you draw at y-axis, if you fold, that means what will happen? This one, uh, this will come here and this will come here. So it will not coincide. So then it is becoming a odd signal. But if you take a cosine wave, what will happen? If you draw a cosine wave, so how to draw a cosine wave like this? No. So if you continue, it will continue like this. Okay, it is a cosine wave. So if you at this center, if you take at this center, if you fold the paper, what will happen? These two area will merge and these two area will merge. So automatically what happen? We can say it is a even signal. That means even means symmetrical. It is a asymmetrical, anti-symmetrical. Okay, like that also you can understand. Next. Then how to one thing you have to know, every signal, okay, any signal can be written as the sum of even and odd signal. That means if there is any signal, that means that can be divided into a sum of odd signal and even signal. So for that one, x of t equal to x e of t plus x naught of t. E means even signal plus odd signal. Okay. Now we'll write x of minus t. Okay. Instead of t, we can substitute minus t. So that means what? X e of minus t and x naught of minus t. For even signal, what is the condition for even signal? For even signal, x of minus t equal to x of t. So this is a even signal. Therefore, xe of minus t is only xe of t. Naught of minus t means you'll get minus x naught of t. Okay. So we'll take this is the equation number 2. So we'll get number 1. First equation is x of t equal to x e of t plus x naught of t, x of minus t. Okay, this is x of minus t. This is x of minus t. That is x e of t minus x naught of t. So what we can do? We can add these two equations. We can add 1 and 2. If you add these two equations, what you will get? X of t plus x of minus t. So this one and this one, it will get cancelled. Okay, plus x and x naught of t minus x naught of t. So what you'll get? X e of t plus x e of t, you'll get 2x e of t. So x of t plus x of minus t equal to 2x e of t. From this, we can get x e of t is x of t plus x of minus t divided by 2. So it is a even signal. So how to get even signal means, what you have to do, you have to add x of t plus x of minus t divided by 2 means you can get even signal. The similar way we can find out odd signal. So these three equations, if you subtract it, you can get x naught of t. So the x naught of t equation is what? X of t minus x of minus t divided by 2. So you should remember these two equations. It's very important. So what is even signal? How to get even signal is x of t plus x of minus t divided by 2. Then odd signal means x of t minus x of minus t divided by 2. Okay. Can you understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay. Now I am going to ask question. Stalin.
Yes,
Stalin.
miss.
We studied about two signal, no, even signal and odd signal. What is the condition for even signal? I told
Hello.
no one condition. X of t like that. I told one condition for even signal. No, what is the condition?
മിസ് നെറ്റ് മൊത്തം ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
Okay, Amal Krishna.
Miss.
For even signal.
Equation ആണ് miss.
Hello.
Hello miss. Hello.
പറഞ്ഞോ.
Equation ആണ് miss. അവസാനത്തെ.
It's not audible. Your voices.
അവസാനത്തെ equation ആണ്.
Equation. Even signal. Which condition? If this condition is satisfied, then we can say it is a even signal. What is that condition?
X of minus t is equal to x of t.
X of t equal to
X of C1 അല്ലേ?
എന്താ?
C1 സിഗ്നലിന്റെ അല്ലേ?
Even signal.
X of minus t is equal to x of t.
X of minus t equal to
X of t.
x of t. Okay, x of minus t equal to x of t, then it is called even signal. Okay, good. Next, Jobin Matthew.
Yes, miss.
What is the condition for odd signal?
X of minus t is equal to minus x of t.
X of minus t equal to minus x of t. Good. Nitin Manoj.
Yes, miss.
We derived two equation, no? That is, what is x e of t? How to get x e of t? Nitin Manoj. Nitin Manoj Jilla. Saju Varghese.
Yes, miss.
What is x e of t?
X of t plus x of minus t divided by 2
Okay, good. X of t
plus x of
plus
minus
x of
x of
minus t divided by
2.
Okay, Shraddha,
Hello.
what is x naught of t?
X of t minus x of minus t by 2.
Okay, good. Okay, so this is the odd condition for odd signal and the even signal. Okay, so now we'll go to the problem. How to get see, this is the x of t. We are given x of t. X of t equal to 6 cos 4t plus 3 sin 2t plus 4 cos t sin t. Okay, that is the x of t. So now from this expression, you have to find out even components and odd component. So what you have to do means you have to use that equation. Even component x e of t equal to x of t plus x of minus t divided by 2. So what you have to do, x of t already it is here. So you have to find out x of minus t. So x of minus t means for all the t you have to put minus. So that means 6 cos 4. That means minus 4t. So you should know the equation. Cos of minus t is what? What is cos of minus t? Cos t.
Cos t
Okay, so you should know this one, cos t. And similarly, what is sine of minus t?
minus sin t.
Minus sin t. So you should know these two equation, then you can do this problem. Okay, so x of minus t how to get means 6 cos of minus 40. Cos of minus 40 is nothing but cos 40. So you'll get 6 cos 40. Then here 3 sine of minus 2t. So sine of minus 2t means you have to take minus outside. So that we are getting minus 3 sine 2t and plus cos of minus t. Cos of minus the t is going to be cos t only. But sine of minus t is what? The minus will come out here. So you'll get minus 4 cos t and sin t. So x of minus t is, this is the equation for x of minus t. So this is x of t. So what you have to do? You have to add these two equation, then divide by 2. So if you add these two equation, what will happen? This is plus and this is minus, it get cancelled, and this is plus and this is minus, so it get cancelled. So you'll get 6 cos 40 plus 6 cos 40. Okay, divide by 2. So 6 plus 6, it is 12 cos 40 divided by 2. So if you get cancelled means you will get 6 cos 40. So the even component answer is 6 cos 40. Okay, next x naught of t. What is a odd function? What is the formula for x naught of t? We studied.
X of t minus x of minus t by 2.
Good. So x naught of t equal to x of t minus x of minus t divided by 2. So you have to use this equation. So that means you have first this x of t and minus x of t you have to subtract. If you subtract, what happened? These terms will get cancelled. Then plus here also minus of minus you'll get plus. So what you will get? So plus 6 sine 2t you'll get, and here plus minus of minus is plus. So you'll get 8 cos t sine t divided by 2. So if it get cancelled, the final answer you will get what? 3 sine 2t plus 4 cos t and sin t. So this is from this problem, using these two equations, we are finding out even component as well as odd component. Okay. Now clear, everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt is there for even signal and odd signal? Because after that I am going to give one assignment. Okay, I am going to give one expression. For that expression, you have to find out even signal and odd signal. That's why I'm asking. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. After this class, I'm going to post one problem as an assignment today. Okay, before 5 o'clock, you have to submit it. No doubt? Okay, I'll go to next topic. Shall I go to next topic?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So next is, already I told no, the classification of signal. That is continuous and discrete. Already we completed. Now even and odd signal is completed. So next, the periodic and non-periodic signal is there. Then energy and power signal is there. So we'll go to periodic and non-periodic signal. Okay, periodic and non-periodic signal. A signal x of t is periodic if it satisfies the condition x of t equal to x of t plus capital T for every t. For every t where t is a positive constant. This is the definition for periodic signal. Okay. Abhirami? Abhiram is there? Abhiya?
Yes, miss.
Can you read the sentence? Periodic signal.
Yeah. A signal x of t is periodic if it is satisfies the condition x of t is equal to x of t plus t for every t where capital T is a positive constant.
Okay, good. So that is the condition for periodic signal. So now the fundamental. So we'll take one example problem. Find the fundamental period. That is x of t. We have taken sine omega naught t plus theta. Okay, this is x of t. Now we are going to find out x of t plus t. So what we are going to, in the small t, we are going to add with capital T. So now the sine omega naught t plus theta, this one, no, this one, sine omega naught t plus theta, we can write it as, this is x of t. Okay, the x of t we are writing sine omega naught t plus t naught. X of t plus t we are writing here. So for this we are expanding this one, omega naught t, omega naught capital T and plus t if omega naught t equal to 2 pi. Okay, the omega naught t equal to 2 pi, that therefore t equal to 2 pi by omega. Okay, so we are going to find out, that means if it is periodic only if capital T is 2 pi omega naught. Okay, so this is the fundamental. That means we are going to find out the fundamental period. That means T is the fundamental T. How to find out the capital T? What you have to do means first you have to write x of t. Then you have to write x of t plus t. then these two you have to equate it. Okay, you have to equate it. Then you will get omega naught t plus t. So here omega naught t is omega naught t plus theta. So this one omega naught t, that should be 2 pi. Why this should be 2 pi means, you know, sine 2 pi plus theta equal to what? What's the answer? Sine of 2 pi plus theta is what?
Theta.
Minus
Theta.
sign.
Minus sine theta.
Sin theta.
Sine theta.
Sin theta.
Sine theta. Okay. Sine theta. That means 2 pi means 180. Okay. That means sine of 180 plus theta equal to sine theta. Okay. That we already studied. So similar way, x of t should be equal to x of t plus t means, so x, this is x of t and this is x of t plus t. So when these two will be equal, if this value is equal to 2 pi. Are you clear? So see, because if it is 2 pi means what is the answer? If omega not equal to 2 pi, if you substitute, what will happen? You will get same answer. Sine omega naught t, sorry, instead of 2 pi, if omega naught t, you can substitute 2 pi. That means 2 pi theta equal to theta, no? So only this alone you will get. Okay, omega naught t plus theta. So here also, sorry, there omega naught they didn't mention here. Here also the omega naught will come because we are expanding, no? So omega naught t, omega naught capital T. Here also omega naught theta will come. Okay, if omega naught t equal to 2 pi, what we can remove it? That means what? Both the condition will be satisfied. So only if the signal is periodic, if omega naught t equal to 2 pi, that means t equal to 2 pi divided by omega naught. So at the value of t, if the value of t is 2 pi by omega naught, then this signal is said to be periodic signal. Do you have any doubt in this problem?
Miss, sin 2 pi plus theta is equal to sin theta. അവിടെ തൊട്ടൊന്നുകൂടി പറയാമോ?
Okay. See, sine 2 pi plus theta equal to sine theta, no?
Yes.
This is clear, no? See, if omega naught t equal to 2 pi, okay? If omega naught capital T is 2 pi, then what is this equation become? Now what will happen? So wait, I will substitute. Okay, instead of omega naught t, I am substituting 2 pi. So I can write sine omega naught t plus 2 pi plus omega naught theta. Okay, this step is clear.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so omega naught t, I am substituting 2 pi. So now what is the, if you use this equation, sine 2 pi plus theta equal to sine theta, no? So I am removing this 2 pi. So what is equation you will get? Sine omega naught. So both omega naught is there, no? So I can take omega naught outside. So I'll get small t plus theta. This step is clear? Gopika?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so now this and this are same, no? left hand side and right hand side are equal, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. What is this one? This is x of t. This is what? X of t plus t.
Yes.
If both are equal, but what is the condition? Omega naught capital T equal to 2 pi. Clear ആയോ?
മിസ് കുറച്ച് മനസ്സിലായി.
See. How to explain? Okay, we'll do the second problem, no? So you can understand. Okay, we'll do it in the second problem. So what is the second problem? Find the fundamental period of x of t equal to sine 2 pi by t. So how to do it means, first x of t, it is sine 2 pi t. Next, you have to find out x of t plus capital T. That means sine of 2 pi t plus capital T. Okay. So this one, how we can write? Sine of 2 pi t plus 2 pi capital T. Hello? Up to this, I have any doubt?
മിസ്
Huh?
ഇല്ല മിസ്സേ,
Doubt illalo?
ഇല്ല.
Okay. Now you tell me, Kopika, if x of t equal to sine 2 pi by t. Okay. X of t plus t is sine 2 pi t plus 2 pi t. At which value of t these two equations should be equal? What should be the value of t? Gopika,
മിസ് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
see, this is sine 2 pi by t. X of t is sine 2 pi by t. X of t plus t is sine 2 pi t plus 2 pi capital T. Okay. I want these two equations should be same. So what we know already, what we know, sine of 2 pi plus x equal to sine x. This is the equation. No? Okay. So from using this equation, sine of 2 pi plus x equal to sine of x. So I want to make sine of 2 pi t plus 2 pi capital T should be sine of 2 pi t. So what should be the value of t so that I can get this is become sine 2 pi t?
That is 2 pi capital T should be 0, right?
This should be 0.
2 pi capital T.
See, if this has become 180 also, these values are same, no?
Yes.
See this equation, sine of 2 pi plus x equal to sine x. If you add with 2 pi, you will get x only. You understand? If anything, if you add with 180 degree, you will
Yes.
get the same answer. Okay. because t is a constant. The small t only variable, capital T is a constant
Thank
value.
you, Miss.
Okay, so what value of t? This equation is become sine of 2 pi t.
1.
1. Good. That is the capital T. You will get 1. So that's why they are written here also. So that's why they formed a formula. So that formula is what means? This is the formula 2 pi by omega naught. That is the formula T equal to 2 pi by omega naught. Here the omega naught means this is the omega naught, sine of omega naught T. So the omega naught value is 2 pi. So if you substitute 2 pi, you will get 1. Okay. Now it clear? Gopika?
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss.
Okay, now t equal to 1. For similarly, find the fundamental period. Fundamental period means capital T of cos square pi by 3t. So for this equation, you have to find out the capital T. So how to find out? This is x of t. This is, I think time is over.
Yes, Miss.
Hello. Okay, okay. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Today I'm going to give the odd signal and even signal problem as an assignment. You have to submit it before 5 o'clock. Is it okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
എടാ എന്തായാലും മനസ്സിലായോടാ? ഹലോ പോയാ?
ഇല്ല.
എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? മിക്കവാറും രണ്ട്
എന്തോ
മിക്കവാറും രണ്ട് പാടാകുമെന്ന് എല്ലാം കുഴപ്പിച്ച് കളയവര്.
അത് ശരിയാ. ഇവിടെ എനിക്കൊന്നും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല. ഒരു വിഷയം മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല.
എനിക്ക് ഞാൻ വിചാരിച്ച തിയറി വല്ലതായിരിക്കുന്ന ഇത്. ഇവര് പ്രോബ്ലം പഠിപ്പിച്ചുള്ള അവസ്ഥ ആലോചിച്ചു എനിക്ക്.
എന്താ ചെയ്യാ?
പോരാത്തതിന് ഓൺലൈൻ കൂടെ.
അന്വേഷണം എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? എനിക്കൊന്നും മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ല.
അടുത്തത് അതങ്ങനെ ഒന്നും
അവര് ചുമ്മാ വേറെ ഏതെങ്കിലും കൂടി ഇരുന്നിട്ട് ജോ പറയാ.
ഈ അത് കുറെ ഉണ്ടെന്നാ തോന്നുന്നു. സിലബസ് നോക്കിയപ്പോ ഇഷ്ടം പോലെ കിടപ്പുണ്ട്.
അതെ.
നേരെ നോക്കാം. ശരിയാ, ഞാൻ കഴിയാൻ പോവാ.
ശരിടാ.
അങ്ങനെ അറിയോ? നമ്മള് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് റെക്കോർഡിംഗ് കൊടുക്കാം.